So good communication is vital to the smooth running of any building project. Communication involves sharing thoughts, information and ideas between people, and for communication to be effective, information must be given in a clear way and received without misunderstanding. So why do you think communication is so important, and why do you think it's that important it's part of your qualification? Well, it's been said to be a good communicator, it is just as important to be a good listener as it is to be a good speaker. Good communication leads to a safer and more efficient workplace, not to mention helping to maintain a pleasant working environment. Most sites will have policies and procedures in place that govern the chain of command and communication between supervisory staff and workers. You can also see that British values is important and that we have mutual respect for people. It's not just in the building trade that communication is important, but we need to communicate well at work and at home. If we don't communicate well, how will other people know what we want or need? And how will you know what other people want? So the first question in this Nearpod session was, tell me different methods of communicating. Well, all those 10 or more methods that you said will all fit into these 4 categories: verbal, written or signs, electronic, or human signs or signals. So verbal, obviously speaking, is the most common. It can be face to face, or it can be over the phone, or even over walkie-talkies. It's got advantages and disadvantages. Now written, we use these a lot in construction, especially drawings, we class as written, and it tells you a lot of information fast. We have